Welcome back, and let's talk about the Bitcoins now. The person who invented the Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, his name at least is known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Nobody knows who this person is. Can you believe that? Whether this is a person or this is a group of people, nobody knows anything about all of this. But this has revolutionized the cryptocurrency world, and Bitcoin was started because there was a need for peer-to-peer electronic cash system within the developer community so that they can pay money and they can exchange money, they can do all of that irrespective of where they are located. So as per the Wikipedia, this was started in 2009. As of February 2015, there are over 100,000 merchants and vendors accepting Bitcoin as payment. Now, research has been done by University of Cambridge, which estimates that in 2017, there would be approximately, I would say, 2.9 to 5.8 million unique users using a cryptocurrency wallet, and most of them using Bitcoin. I think that gives you the perspective of how powerful Bitcoin can be in the coming days. Now, needless to say, this is catching up extremely fast. With more spread of this information, everybody is catching up and being part of this. So keep in mind, Bitcoin is the first virtual currency, first virtual cryptocurrency, you can say. When it comes to Bitcoin transactions, you need to know about this more than anything else, that Bitcoin transactions are not reversible. This is the reason why you should check everything twice before sending any amount of Bitcoin to anybody. I hope you're paying attention to this. Bitcoin transactions are not reversible. Check 100 times before sending it. Number two, Bitcoin transactions are anonymous, which means when the Bitcoins are transferred, it goes from one address to the next address. Now, these addresses are linked to the real world identities. Now, my address is not showing that who owns this address, but when money is transferred to that address, it's coming to me, just so you know. But when you're sending the money, you don't know which person is getting that money because you're sending money to a address. It's a kind of a digital address. Number three, Bitcoin transactions are fast and global in nature, which means as you move the Bitcoins, the transfer may happen in seconds, and it's borderless, which means doesn't matter where you're located, you can move the money. Since the transactions are happening across the global network of computers, now computers can't have the location names and all that. They only can have IP addresses and all those kind of things. So everything is interconnected. That's why this whole network is global in nature. Now, Bitcoin transactions are extremely secured. That might shock you. Why? Because since the transactions happen using the cryptographic system, it's extremely difficult to break it. You need to keep your private key confidential and never share with anybody, because the only way anybody can get into your account is only when they get access to your private key. The next one is Bitcoin transactions are decentralized. This means you don't need any permission from anyone to send your Bitcoin from your own wallet to somebody. Now, as you can see, the above, all those above benefits which I've shared, or all those benefits I've been talking about, can be misused. Also, our recommendation is that never use this freedom. I mean, there's so much of good things, but that brings the responsibility. As a person, as a user, I should never use this for any wrong purpose. Because keep in mind, your identity is still linked to every single account you open. Because Bitcoin is like a reserve currency for the cryptocurrency world, it is open for many type of scams. And we want to share few tips on how to protect yourself. Number one, never ever invest in any high yield guaranteed investment, as some people might come back and say, hey, I'm going to guarantee this much to you, no matter what happens, you'll get the money. Never believe any of those opportunities. Those are called cryptocurrency Ponzi scams. Number two, avoid Bitcoin's mining scams. Some of these companies offer outrageous returns to get your money. Now, I'm not saying you don't have to invest. We don't invest. So that's the reason why we are giving you this as a reminder that do your own due diligence. Number three, Bitcoin exchanges scams. Some companies offer lower charges for the Bitcoin exchange, and in the process, you may lose your money. Next one is Bitcoin wallet scams. So you need to be very, very careful while selecting a safe wallet, as some companies may take your money if you're not careful, or they may get all the information and take your money and then they disappear. So because of all of this, you might be wondering, hey, is it worth investing money in something like this? Well, keep in mind there are always pluses and minuses of anything in life you do. So if you play it safe, you can still make some, respectable gains from this market. Now, here are some benefits also I wanted to share. Bitcoins are decentralized. This means you can send Bitcoins to anybody in any part of the world without paying any kind of those big bank fees. If you have ever done the wire transfer, you know $100, $150 you might have to pay in some cases. Next one is Bitcoin is free from government interference, which means that there is no manipulation for any political reasons. Many countries have gone through, you know that. The next one is that Bitcoins cannot be forged. You might find this as an interesting one, because Bitcoin is capped at 21 million coins. That's the fixed supply of the coins ever done against Bitcoins. Now, there'll never be more Bitcoins than this one. So the chances of forgery reduces because of that. Bitcoin is stored as a value in place of gold by many investors nowadays. Why? Because they know that Bitcoin is limited in supply, and it's a supply and demand rule, and because of that they know that they'll benefit more investing in that. I think with that I want to say thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video.